Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and remote places on Earth, North Sentinel Island. Located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of the Bay of Bengal, North Sentinel Island is home to the Sentinelese people, one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world. The island is about 28 square miles in size, with dense forests, coral reefs, and lagoons that contribute to its isolation. Let's learn more about this fantastic tribe. According to anthropologists in a 2011 census effort, there are probably between 80 and 150 people on the island, although the number could range from as low as 15 to as high as 500. The Sentinelese are related to other indigenous groups in the Andaman Islands, such as the Onge and Jarawa, but their long-term isolation means that even these related groups cannot understand their language. A single visit to a Sentinelese village in 1967 revealed they live in lean-to huts with slanted roofs, grouped facing one another with a fire outside each one. They build small, narrow outrigger canoes which they maneuver with long poles in the calm waters inside the reef. From these canoes they fish and harvest crabs. The Sentinelese practice a hunter-gatherer lifestyle, relying on wild fruits and tubers, eggs from seagulls or turtles, and small game such as wild pigs and birds. They carry bows and arrows, spears and knives, all of which they wield skillfully. Their tools and weapons are often tipped with iron, which they likely find washed ashore and work to suit their needs. They also weave mesh baskets and use wooden adzes tipped with iron. Salvage crews anchored near the island in the mid-1990s reported bonfires on the beach at night and the sounds of people singing. Unfortunately, none of the Sentinelese language is known to outsiders. We do not know what they call themselves or how to greet them. What is clear is that they do not welcome visitors and have made their preference for isolation clear through their actions. While the Sentinelese remain largely uncontacted and shrouded in mystery, it's important to respect their desire for isolation and preserve their way of life. The world watches from afar as the Sentinelese continue their life in peace on their island, free from outside interference. Let me know your thoughts on North Sentinel Island in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more explorations of intriguing places. Stay curious and keep exploring.